Look at this picture. There is plenty you can do to make your neighborhood a cleaner, greener place. Here are some ways of making your neighborhoods greener. Recycle as much as possible. Organize a litter collection day. Plant some flowers and trees.
As the saying goes, there is strength in numbers. So, how about getting together with your neighbors and starting a community recycling program? You could set up bottle, paper, plastic, aluminium, and clothing recycling banks and take turns to take everything to a local recycling point. In this way, your community will be helping to save limited raw materials. You will also help preserve landfill space and reduce the greenhouse gases that they produce.
Have you ever considered how time-consuming it is for local councils to remove litter from our streets? Or how much money it wastes that could be better spent on other services? Organize a litter collection day in your neighborhood. Get some bean bags and see who can fill the most. Once a few of you take action, others will quickly join in.
Sick and tired of living in a concrete jungle? Flowers, plants, and trees make our communities more welcoming places to live in. They also improve air quality by filtering out pollutants and creating places for small animals and insects to live in. So organize teams and get planting in your neighborhood today. Ask your local council for permission to plant trees and flowers along roadsides. Don't forget, every little bit helps.
In the text, you have come across the new words. Let us pay attention to them and their meaning. To set up – устанавливать. To take turns – делать поочередно. Limited raw materials – ограниченные природные ресурсы. To preserve landfill space – не использовать место на мусорной свалке. To reduce – снижать. Greenhouse gases – парниковые газы. Time-consuming – требующий много времени. Councils – органы местного самоуправления. To remove – убирать. To waste – тратить впустую. Services – государственные службы. To be sick and tired – надоесть до смерти. Concrete jungle – бетонные джунгли. To filter out pollutants – отфильтровывать загрязняющие элементы.